come here. We need to talk about this video. What video? This video you put up on the internet. What on earth were you thinking? Well, firstly, you haven't thought about what you're going to say, have you? I saw it in your eyes about 3 sentences in. You suddenly just went, oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I can tell you what you were talking about. You were talking about yourself, weren't you? You hadn't really put your audience first at all, had you? Well, no, but Secondly, where on earth were you? Well, I was in the car. What have I told you about the car? Don't do it. Don't do it in the car. Not in the car. Where do we do it? Anywhere but the car. There's something else. What? I watched this video at least twice, and it seems to me that it's all one take. Do you think your audience would have liked you to edit it? Yes. Why? Because it would be shorter and more impactful? Yes. And because that big bit in the middle where you just waffled on about something for 30 seconds would probably be better on the cutting room floor, wouldn't it? Yeah. So, what have we learnt today? Think about what I'm going to say, choose a decent location that's not my car, and edit my work. Correct.